Our amazing skin, nature's barrier.
Skin is the body's first line of defense, shielding us from germs, injuries, and dehydration. When it's cut or damaged, a remarkable repair process begins. This involves a series of carefully coordinated steps, ensuring the wound closes and strength is restored. Let's explore how your skin works tirelessly to heal itself after a cut or injury.
Stage 1. Hemostasis. Stopping the bleed.
The moment skin is injured, blood vessels constrict to reduce bleeding. Platelets rush to the site and clump together, forming a clot. This clot acts like a natural bandage, plugging the wound and stopping further blood loss. The clot's structure also provides a temporary barrier, protecting against bacteria and dirt as healing begins.
Stage 2. Inflammation. Fighting infection.
Shortly after clotting, the body triggers inflammation. Blood vessels expand, allowing white blood cells to flood the area. These cells destroy invading microbes and clear away damaged tissue. You might notice redness, heat, and swelling during this stage, signs that the body's defenses are in full gear to prevent infection.
Stage 3. Proliferation. Rebuilding tissue.
Next, the wound starts to rebuild. New tissue forms as cells rapidly multiply beneath the surface. Small blood vessels grow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the area. Fibroblast cells create collagen, a protein that forms the framework for new skin. You might see a raised pink area as this foundation strengthens and closes the wound.
Stage 4. Maturation. Strengthening the skin.
The final stage is maturation, where the new tissue reorganizes and gains strength. Collagen fibers realign, making the repaired skin tougher and smoother. Over weeks or months, the scar gradually fades, becoming less noticeable. Even after healing, the skin never regains its exact original form, but its protective barrier is restored.
A marvel of healing.
From clotting to scar formation, your skin's healing process is a testament to the body's resilience. Understanding each stage helps explain redness, swelling, or scarring after injuries. With proper care, your skin can repair itself efficiently, keeping you protected every day. Truly, the science of wound healing shows how extraordinary our bodies really are.